Hello everyone from Mutku Travels. So right now I'm gonna do something a bit different. Right now I prepare for a running contest which is gonna be held in Istanbul. But right now I'm in Germany, in a little city called Kaiserslautern. And like since March 2023 I've been living here, and this is right now end of October. Like, because I don't know when I will have time to edit this video, but yeah, anyways. So like next week or at the end of this week, there is this big marathon in Istanbul. It is the only marathon that is happening between two continents. Like, it's gonna start in the Asian part of Istanbul and we will run across the Bosphorus Bridge, and then we will end in the European part of Istanbul. So there are like basically two categories. One of them is like the real marathon, which is 42 kilometers, and the other category is 15 kilometers. And last year I ran 15 kilometers and I just did like 82 minutes. So it was okay because I'm not a professional runner. And this year my only goal is to achieve a bit better. Maybe like 77 or 78 minutes or something like that. So this year I'm also gonna run 15 kilometers. Yeah, anyways, what I would like to do right now is like to put my action camera on my chest, and I'd like to show you around the city, Kaiserslautern, that I've been living since March 2023. It's a bit rainy outside right now, but hopefully the video will be clear. And yeah, like I'm planning to run around half an hour, 40 minutes. So yeah, this is the last training before the marathon, 15 kilometers, because like in 2 days I have the flight to Istanbul. So yeah, see you outside. Yes, I'm done. 8 kilometers and 500 meters. That's nice. Actually, in my training session, I think this is the highest that I have done before the 15-kilometer race. Right now, I'm in front of my hospital that I currently do my internships, and also I'm in front of my home. So let me show you around. So yeah, this is the hospital, Westpfalz Klinikum, and this is my home. The third flat is my home. And this is the record of my running session, which is like 8 kilometers with the pace of 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Yeah. Thank you for watching Mutku Travels. I tried to do this video in English. Hopefully I haven't done any mistakes in grammar. Oh, okay. Anyways, take care and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.